Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kaspa. Kaspa is currently rallying hard on the daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, also on a yearly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Altcoins are down really bad, but there's one altcoin that's defying all the odds. There's one altcoin that is still pumping to higher prices, and that's Kaspa. In this video, we're taking a look at the Kaspa US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. How high can Kaspa continue pumping? Of pumping to new all-time highs, currently trading around the $0.014. Where are we going to find support? How high will Kaspa go before the end of this rally? We'll also look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, currently at a new all-time highs. We'll take a look at Kaspa's performance against Ethereum, which is also currently at a new all-time high. And we'll take a look at Kaspa's market cap, which also is in a new all-time high, around $243 million. Can we pump towards $500 million before the end of this rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay you off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are having a hard time in 2023, even though we saw a rally starting the year. Guys, all coins have been dumping since the end of the bull market in 2021. But one altcoin that's defying all the odds is Kaspa. Kaspa is pumping on all time frames. It's pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Kaspa is up 165%. On a yearly time frame, Kaspa is up 5,600%. All coins can be very, very volatile to the upside. All coins can continue pumping longer than you can think they'll pump. Kaspa has been having a huge pump since July of 2022. It has been in its own bull market. Kaspa went from as low as the $0.00022 level, rallying up to a new all-time high. Currently, since June 2022, Kaspa is up over 6,200%. $1,000 invested in Kaspa in June of 2022 should have returned over $62,000 right now. But guys, that pump didn't just happen overnight. We had some pumps, we had some dumps. We first had the 2,000% pump to the upside, and then we saw Kaspa dumping into October, losing 74% of its value. After that, Kaspa continued pumping to higher prices. It gave us another 63. After that, Kaspa continued pumping to higher prices. It gave us another 600% pump to the upside, and then another pullback came, but this pullback was just 55% pullback back into support, and right now Kaspa has resumed that pump to the upside. Kaspa has rallied up by more than 250%. How high can we go? Can Kaspa continue pumping to higher prices? Guys, I didn't expect Kaspa to pump this high. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool, the tool told us that Kaspa could pump to higher prices. Yes, we're expecting Kaspa to continue pumping, but Yes, we're expecting Kaspa to continue pumping to higher prices, but I didn't see a possibility where Kaspa would have gone above the $0.0093 level. And right now, I'm surprised, just like every other market participants, deep in the bear market, an altcoin is pulling a 60x pump to the upside. As Kaspa continues pumping to higher prices using the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Kaspa in November of 2022, guys, there's still a possibility that Kaspa can still continue pumping. We might still see this altcoin pump towards the $0.026 level. For us to get there from where we're currently trading right now, Kaspa will need to pump an additional 88% to the upside. But you want to be very, very careful, guys. As Kaspa is pumping to higher prices, you don't want to get carried away. As Kaspa is pumping on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, on a yearly time frame, you want to know that after all these kind of huge pumps comes huge dumps to Goblin Town. We have seen this happen over and over again in the cryptocurrency market. All coins will be pumping to higher prices. People will be fading the pump. And if you take a look at the volume that is coming in right now, we're seeing all-time highs on volumes for Kaspa. A lot of people are buying Kaspa thinking it will continue pumping to higher prices forever. The best time to buy is when we're down in Goblin Town. Right now, a lot of smart investors that bought Kaspa in July of 2022 will be taking some profits off the table, because right now, Kaspa would have been up more than 60x. Just $1,000 invested in June would have given them more than a 60,000 return on investment. So the smart thing to do will be take some profits off the table. If Kaspa ends up pumping to higher prices when we start dumping, key levels where we might find support We might find support at the $0.0093 level. If we continue dumping to Goblin Town, another critical level where Kaspa might find support when it starts dumping might be around that $0.0046 level. If you take a look at what Kaspa has done in the last 1 year, we're seeing this altcoin go from as low as $0.000169 to as high as $0.014. With a market cap of $242 million, Kaspa has a fully diluted market cap of $410 million. A maximum supply of 28 billion tokens. We have more than 16 billion of those tokens in circulation. We represent 59% of the maximum supply. Currently, Kaspa is ranked 222 on coin market cap. And currently, we have over 31,000 people that have Kaspa on their watch list. Kaspa is a proof of work cryptocurrency which implements the GHOSTDAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchain, GHOSTDAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually blockDAG. The generalization of Nakamoto's consensus allows for secure operation while maintaining a very high block rate. Guys, if you want to buy some Kaspa right now deep in the bear market, or you want to sell some as we keep pumping to higher prices, you can do that on TXBit, on CoinX, on MEXC. Kaspa might continue pumping to higher prices in the nearest future. We have seen Kaspa outperform Bitcoin in this bear market. Kaspa is currently having one of those long green doodles to the upside. Kaspa in the last 60 days has outperformed Bitcoin by more than 168%, pumping to new all-time highs. In total, since July 2022, Kaspa has outperformed Bitcoin by over 6,000%, which means just one Bitcoin invested in Kaspa in June of 2022, guys, should have returned more than 60 Bitcoins right now where we are currently trading. Kaspa will pump into higher prices right now, but remember, guys, we're not going to continue pumping to the moon forever. After every huge pumps comes those period of times where we see huge dumps to the downside. Look at what Kaspa did in October 2022 when it ended that rally in November. It rallied up by 579%. But what happened after that rally? We saw Kaspa dumping to Goblin Town, losing 62% of its value, dumping back to support. So as we're pumping to higher prices, if you're one of those smart investors that bought Kaspa when it was down in Goblin Town, now would be a good time to be taking some profits off the table. Guys, even though we're pumping in a straight line, remember we can't keep pumping up forever. If you take a look at all these indicators, they are at all-time highs. Kaspa might easily start dumping to Goblin Town very, very soon. We're also seeing it outperform Ethereum, which is good to see. You always want to see all these altcoins pumping heavily against both Bitcoin and Ethereum when they're pumping. But guys, that's always the best time to sell, when you see all those altcoins pumping to higher prices, when the volume is getting to new all-time highs. Kaspa is up more than 2,300% against Ethereum in the last 200 days. If you take a look at what Kaspa is doing on a yearly time frame, it's up over 5,600%. It's also up on a monthly time frame, even though we're deep in the crypto bear market. Guys, if you're holding some Kaspa, yes, you're happy every day, you're making some profits, but always remember that if you don't take some profits right now, those profits will quickly turn to losses. It will quickly turn to memories. You want to take advantage of the pump to the upside. You want to take some profits off the table, because the whole point of buying at the bottom is that you want to buy low and you want to sell high. Kaspa is hitting new all-time highs on all time frames and against all peers. Kaspa is hitting all-time highs against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Even on the market cap chart, Kaspa has gotten to new all-time highs. Right now, Kaspa's market cap is heading towards $250 million. In November of 2022, we saw the market cap around $140 million. And that November of 2022, Kaspa's market cap was already up around 700%. After that, we had a little pullback. Kaspa gathered itself after dropping 50%. The market cap went from $67 million in January of 2023, rallying up to as high as $248 million. How high can Kaspa's market cap go before the end of this bear market rally? Right now that we're hitting all-time highs on all time frames and against all peers, guys, Kaspa's market cap can still get to as high as $384 million in this rally. From where we're currently trading right now, we'll still need Kaspa to pump up by more than 51% for us to get there. Majority of the move is done. If you're buying some Kaspa right now thinking to continue pumping to higher prices, why it might pump to higher prices, you might not get the pumps you're waiting for. If you're waiting for that 1,000% pump to the upside, 2,000% pump to the upside, guys, before those kind of pumps to come for Kaspa again, we might just see Kaspa dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, Kaspa is showing us a lot of indicators of all coins that are reaching the end of the rally. The market cap is up more than 1,000% in the last 132 days. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, where do you see Kaspa heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? We're currently rallying to higher prices. Kaspa holders are singing Kumbaya. Everybody that bought Kaspa at any point in time before yesterday is currently in profit. Guys, anytime you see this kind of situation, always know that it's only downhill from here. We might start dumping to Goblin Town very, very soon. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, how low do you think we're going to get? If we continue pumping to higher prices, do you think it's possible for Kaspa's market cap to get to $500 million before the end of this rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2.